So this is what my 1973 kitchen looked like when we bought our home in 2010. It had outdated cabinets, wallpaper, laminate flooring. It looked cozy, but it looked like grandma's kitchen, and that just wasn't my style. So we changed out the cabinets, got new countertops, but the cabinets were way too dark. The laminate floor, it wasn't too bad, but over the years it deteriorated from repeated refrigerator water line breaks. I mean, we had so many leaks and the floor just started to look destroyed. So the last time it happened, the insurance company's like, okay, we're going to step in. We're going to offer to replace the floor. And we decided to just hire the project out and replace not just the kitchen floor, but we also wanted to do the foyer as well to make it, more uniform. We had laminate in the kitchen. We had old tile in the foyer. There's wood flooring and just all of these different floorings. It just didn't work for me. So that's why we decided, let's do the kitchen floor. Let's do the entry floor. Let's have one unified floor going from that entry into the kitchen. And you can see here, some pieces just didn't make it. He just put that right underneath and was like, I don't care, let's hide it. So thankfully, I was able to record some of the project. I wasn't able to record the entire thing because the installer guys, they started to become very wary of all the recording that I was doing. Some people just don't understand that, like, okay, I'm a YouTuber, I am a DIYer, I love home improvement, and I want to watch and I want to record and see how you do it and share this with the world. But at some point, one of the guys was like, I don't want to be recorded, which is why I could really only get the demolition. I couldn't really get the entire tile installation. But I wanted to show you this process and, just show you that this is something that I had done. Gosh, it's probably been a couple years. I mean, could it have been that long? I don't know. But I just held on to this because I knew at some point I was going to tackle a bigger kitchen makeover and more of a foyer makeover. And I just wanted to show this to you because guess what? Next week, or maybe this week, depending on how much I have going on, I'm actually going to be doing a kitchen makeover. And it's really just about painting the kitchen cabinets. I never really cared for the dark cabinets. When we had ordered new cabinets, the person who had installed them, he gave me just maybe like a few options. And I'm pretty sure that I chose the lighter color. Well, guess what? He actually showed up with the darker cabinets. And because I felt like I was getting such a good deal, I didn't feel like I could really say anything to him. So I just accepted the dark cabinets, even though that cherry dark color was not what I really wanted. So over the years, my kitchen has felt just very dark, and I've tried to do things to lighten it up, and it just hasn't worked very well. So when we were installing this floor, I wanted to choose something that was much lighter so that it helped to brighten the room up. So I actually chose the 8 by 47 inch, can't speak, 8 by 47 inch Regent Grove ash gray flooring. And you'll see in a moment that I did the Dell Gray Prism grout. I actually wish that I had done a darker grout. And the problem is that, the lighter grout that you have, the more you're going to see the dirt. And, if you're not sealing that grout, which I have to admit, I have not sealed the grout yet, then you're going to see more dirt. And I've noticed over time that I've seen more dirt. Anyway, this was a huge mess, and this is not a project that I really wanted to tackle myself. You see how much debris was created by just removing all of that tile. This is the new tile. It's beautiful. If you've ever wanted a tile that just brightens up the room, this is it. I'll leave a link down below. You can find my affiliate link. You can order it from homedepot.com. And overall, it looks pretty good. I didn't think that it was going to take too long for them to do this job. It took a matter of 2 days, I think. I mean, they came in there with their crew, knocked it out. The tile actually came from Home Depot, and the crew, I went straight through homedepot.com. And again, the insurance company picked up some of it, but for the most part, I put probably about half. So this is what the kitchen looked like before. I didn't mind the laminate. I think it looked well. It went very well with the darker cabinet. And once the floor was out, I was like, we have to do something about these cabinets. So I'm going to ask you, what do you think about white cabinets with this floor? So I love this floor. It looks good. I mean, it's not totally clean. You see, I tried to clean it for the video. But what do you think about white? And I don't really follow trends. So if you say to me, Serena, gray is not on trend, I would tell you, I don't care. What do you think would look good with the gray floor? So what do you think about white? And here's the part I wanted to show you. This is where all the damage had happened. And now there's no damage. But I will be building a new base cabinet to go next to the fridge. So you'll see that in an upcoming video too. But I want to know from you, what do you think of a white cabinet? And this is the foyer. You'll see that as well. I didn't have any footage today to include in that, but that is going to be included in the next video as well. I want to know, leave a comment down below. Do you like the idea of white cabinets with this gray floor? What would you do in your home? All right, I'll see you next video.